behalf and reach a much better performance. So it's really a win-win. Obviously, as I've described, we run Hadoop on the platform, and so Hadoop has MapReduce APIs, even in the Hadoop world, more and more people are migrating away from MapReduce anyway. So it's available in that context, but that's really not the best way to write pipelines.
Great, thanks, William. I'm always looking for win-wins. The next question is for Sudhir. Do you have all the data on Google Cloud, or do you have separate infrastructure that stores data and then it pushes it to Google Cloud? I know for the folks, who are all in the cloud, this is fine and it's easy, but I think this is actually really important for those who aren't there yet and nervous and about to move from on-prem to the cloud.
So our thing is all of our data now actually gets stored in Google Cloud Storage. So one of the things we do is, of course, all the operational systems still run into our own data centers. Like we have a bunch of servers in different data centers. They do continue running there. So our fulfillment center software actually runs inside the fulfillment centers. Our some of the other systems like websites and stuff like that will run on all the different servers. But what we do is we collect all of this data using our synchronization service and move it into Google Cloud Storage. So that's where all the analytics and all the big data processing happens, but everything is now on Google Cloud Storage. One of the things we do is we have a project for keeping all the storage, all the data in the storage. We do take a backup of all of those into a different project on the same infrastructure, so it gives us multiple copies of the same data. I know Google infrastructure already makes multiple copies, but this is to protect us from fat finger deletions that we've seen in past, the mistakes that engineers can make sometimes, not many times, but we do that. So all our data right now is in Google Cloud Storage, and then the same data then gets pushed into BigQuery and then into Hadoop clusters for processing.
Great, very helpful. Well, thank you so much. We have a lot more questions, but we'll definitely do our best to address them in other forums. Thank you so much, Sudhir, for coming to the Seattle office today and the studio. It's wonderful to have you. And William, thank you so much for facilitating conversation and helping us understand this all better. For references, for more information, because we were pretty brief about it, we